What if your AI chatbot could do more than just answer questions? What if it could build with you? Elon Musk's AI, Grok, just made that leap. XI has officially launched Grok Studio, a powerful new canvas-like tool that lets users create documents, apps, reports, and even browser games right alongside the chatbot. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Grok Studio was announced on X and is now available to both free and paid users at grok.com. When you ask Grok to create something, the new feature opens your project in a separate window, giving you and Grok a live workspace to collaborate on content in real time. This puts Grok in the same arena as ChatGPT's Canvas and Claude's artifacts, AI-powered platforms designed to make writing and coding interactive. While the concept isn't new, Grok Studio brings its own flavor. You can preview HTML, run code in Python, JavaScript, or C++, and make quick changes on the fly. Everything happens in a clean, split-screen layout with Grok's responses on one side and your editable content on the other. But there's more. XAI also rolled out Google Drive integration. You can now attach files from your Drive right into your chat. Grok can read and work with documents, spreadsheets, and slide decks, making it a far more useful assistant for business and productivity tasks. Whether you're building a prototype, drafting a proposal, or analyzing data, Grok Studio is designed to make that process smoother and smarter. Want to see what Grok Studio can really do? Check out the related video in the corner for a hands-on look.